Tomorrow I'm going to visit my grandmother. Today is Tuesday. I'm at school. Yesterday I swam at the lake.
I swam at the lake.
Yesterday I bought meat and vegetables.
Today I'm cooking.
Today I'm cooking.
Today I'm cooking.
Yesterday I ran 10 miles. Today I'm swimming.
She's running. He ran fast.
She's eating.
She's eating. He ate.
She's buying a book. She bought a book.
She bought a book.
He's playing football.
He's playing football.
He played football.
He played football.
I'm selling newspapers.
I'm reading a book.
I sold a newspaper.
I read 4 books. She's going to buy clothes.
She's going to buy clothes. She's going to buy clothes. She's going to buy clothes.
She's going to buy clothes. She's buying clothes.
She's buying clothes. She's buying clothes. She's buying clothes. She's buying clothes.
She's buying clothes. She bought clothes.
She bought clothes.
She bought clothes. I ate chocolate. I'm eating chocolate. I'm going to eat chocolate.
Chocolate.
He's going to swim.
He's going to swim.
He's swimming.
He's swimming.
He swam.
He swam.
I'm going to swim.
I'm going to swim.
I'm swimming.
I'm swimming.
I swam.
I swam.
She's going to swim. She's swimming. She swam.
He's going to swim.
I'm going to swim.
I'm swimming.
I'm swimming.
I'm swimming. I swam.
I swam.
I swam. I swam.
Did you swim?
Did you swim?
Did you swim? No, I did not swim. I ran.
No, I did not swim. I ran.
No, I did not swim. I ran. Did you buy a book?
Did you buy a book?
Did you buy a book? No, I did not buy a book. I bought a newspaper.
No, I did not buy a book. I bought a newspaper.
No, I did not buy a book. I bought a newspaper.
Book.
Are you going to read this book?
Yes, I'm going to read it.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Did you
I'm
read
reading
this
a book.
book?
Yes, I read it.
Yes, I read it. She played tennis. She played tennis yesterday.
She played tennis.
We're at the
yesterday.
beach.
We're at the beach.
We're at the beach today.
We're at the beach
They're
today.
going to visit their grandmother. They're going to visit their grandmother tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I bought a newspaper yesterday. I'm reading the newspaper today.
I bought a book yesterday.
I bought a book yesterday.
I bought a book yesterday.
I'm reading the book today.
I'm reading the book today.
He bought train tickets last Wednesday. Today he's taking the train to Paris. She bought new shoes last Monday.
She bought new shoes last Monday.
Today she's running.
Today she's running.
Today she's taking the bus.